ताज़ा तरीन अपलोड्स की नोटिफिकेशन हासिल करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में दिए गए घंटी के निशान को दबाना ना।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rushali and you're watching my channel Rushali Official. In today's video, I'm going to share with you beauty tips, beauty hacks and beauty secret. Before that guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So first hack is, if you want to grow your eyelashes and eyeliner, even eyebrows and all, you have to use a Vaseline. Vaseline will grow your eyebrows and eyelashes soon. And then second hack is, if you want to use a lipstick, while you're using a lipstick, the lipstick will broke, then don't throw that. You have to use that recycling, like you have to burn the candle and then you have to melt this, and then you can use as a lip balmer and also lipstick. Then third step is foundation. If your foundation is finished, don't throw the container and remaining inside the foundation little bit. You have to take in a bowl and then you have to use little bit of moisturizer and aloe vera gel and mix it very well. It will be 1 month and 2 months will store, and it will be useful for your lifelong also. Then fourth one is, if you want to use eyeshadow, if you don't have eyeshadow and all, so guys don't worry, with the help of kajal you can use eyeshadow. That also black color you can be used. So kajal is very important. Even how to use kajal, that I'm going to tell you. First of all, you have to burn the candle and remaining the thread of the candle, you have to remove that black of that thread, and then you have to use little bit of aloe vera gel and then little bit of coconut oil. Mix it very well and then you have to store in a container and then keep in the refrigerator. After 5 minutes, remove that. It will be prepared as a kajal. And then even if you want a mascara, you have to put little bit of water in that and then shake it very well, and then you have to use as a mascara and all. If your nail paint is too dry, don't throw that. You have to use in it little bit of nail paint or nail polish like this, and then mix it very well and use as a recycling. Then if you want your nails little grown, then you have to use a little bit of garlic and all, so it will be grow your nails as soon as possible. Then if you want your hair grown and all, if your hair is falling and all, so you have to use this comb and all. With empty comb you should not use that. First of all, you have to apply that wet tissue on that, and then you have to press that spray and then you have to comb that. If your hair is too frizzy, it will be smooth and all. These are the few hacks, tips and beauty secret I had told you, and follow this every day. This is for main important for the teenager who are going for college and all. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.